Shalom Aleichem, welcome to Assyrian Dishes. I'm Julian and today we'll be making Toorshiya, which are pickled vegetables. So let's start making. There are two parts of ingredients for the Toorshiya recipe. For the vegetables, I'll be using 2 cups of cauliflower or half a head of cauliflower, half a head of white cabbage, 1 cup of dill pickles or gherkins, and 1 cup of baby carrots. For the liquid, you will need 6 cups of water, 3 cups of apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon of curry powder, 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, and 1 tablespoon of sea salt. And this is how your pickled vegetables should look like after a week and then after you've placed them in the fridge. Traditionally we eat them with rice dishes with some shorba, which are stews, and they taste delicious. Remember, you can always choose your own vegetables to put in there. Remember to subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share this recipe with your friends. Don't forget to visit my website at AssyrianDishes.com for more recipes. Happy cooking, everyone!